Autotrophs, any organism capable of self-nourishment by using inorganic materials as a source of nutrients and using photosynthesis or chemosynthesis as a source of energy. Producers are an autotrophic organism capable of producing complex organic compounds from simple inorganic molecules. This by using photosynthesis or chemosynthesis. Producers are like a synonym of autotrophs, can produce its own food by inorganic material. Heterotrophs are organisms requiring organic compound for its principal source of food. Heterotrophs can get its own energy, so they eat autotrophs.
Food chain, a series of organisms interrelated in their feeding habits, the smallest one feeding the larger one. Food web, a series of organisms related by predator-prey and consumer resource interactions by the entirety of an interrelated food chain in an ecological community.
Trophic level. The trophic level of an organism is the position it occupies in a food chain. Decomposers are organisms that break down dead and they carry out the natural process of decomposition. Scavengers are both a carnivore and herbivorous feeding behavior in which the scavenger feeds on dead animal and plants material presented on its habitat.
The primary consumers are the small animals that feed from plants. They are called herbivores. The secondary consumers are the animals that feed from the primary consumers. Okay, the food chain of resources, there is the grass, the zebra, and the tiger. The grass is the producer. It's the one that feeds the zebra. The zebra is the primary consumer, and it's the one that feeds the tiger. And the tiger is the tertiary consumer. It's the one that eats the zebra.
Food chain 4 trophic levels. The first level is a producer, that in this case is a plant. The insect is a consumer of the plant. Then, the mouse is a consumer of the insect. And at last, the owl is a consumer of the mouse.
Food chain of 5 trophic levels. The first trophic level, that is named the producer, will be grass in this case. The primary consumer will be the grasshopper. The secondary consumer that will be eating from the primary consumer will be the frog. And the tertiary consumer will be the snake eating the frog. And in last, the biggest predator will be the hawk, eating the snake and getting 10% of the energy of all the organisms eaten before.